Hello, welcome everyone to another one of our walkthrough videos. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Mazda Atenza Sport 2-liter model, and the sedan or hatchback version. This actually is a sedan, but the rear boot is much like a hatchback itself. Now looking at the front tires, and we have brand new HIFLY tires fitted in New Zealand. So went past the Vehicle Inspection New Zealand's compliance checks and WAF inspections. As you can see, if it's gone through compliance, they check for all the major mechanical and wear and tear stuff. So make sure everything's road legal. The body condition is actually really good for its age. No major scratches or dents. Looking at door cards, no stains. Got bit of padding for the top bit and padding for your arm to rest on. Of course, cup holders over there. It's got a dark black grey cloth interior. No electric seats. Rear privacy window. And we also have that that monsoon for the rain. So which is pretty good. Honestly, electric rear windows as well, as you'd expect for most modern cars. No cup holders for that side door, but obviously got cup holders in the middle. And of course, like most sedans or hatchbacks, the rear seats do fold down. And it's got that the latch for your hooks at the back here. And of course, got the ISOFIX function, which isn't too obvious, but it's there to do the job. Now looking at the back, it's got a nice little sport style spoiler and 2 exhaust pipes. But of course, you wouldn't expect this to be like a boy racer car, so just keep that in mind. It's actually supposed to drive quite smoothly. It does come with a tonneau cover. For your privacy, of course, you can hide valuables or laptops at the back. Hopefully no one will look at it. And just looking at this tonneau cover, the hooks and such is actually broken, so we haven't hooked it back just because it's not possible, so we just left it as it is. And of course, the roof looks rust-free, sorry. Again, the rear tires, brand new, same as the front ones, 205/50 16s, HIFLY tires. So brand new ones usually have about 8 or 9 mil of tread. The back seat is actually surprisingly quite spacious. I'd imagine these medium-sized sedans is gonna be quite tight in space. Of course, that middle center console thing do fold down, which is good for the cup holders and road trips, or just for your kids' drinks, stuff like that. Transmission tonal hump isn't too bad, so I'd say sitting in the middle for short to medium-sized trips is okay. I wouldn't worry too much. Of course, the headroom is actually really spacious as well. It's surprising how Mazda has done this and making it kind of like a hatchback version of a sedan, which a lot of the sedans are going for now. And coming to the front seat, we just open this driver door. Again, very nice clean interior. Imported from Japan. No accident. Rust free. No water damage. And smoke free vehicle. We just got a bit of dirt here. We'll just take that off. Don't worry about that. The car will be fully groomed, of course. Of course, being automatic, just put your foot on the brake and start the car as usual. just over 100,000 Ks. Steering wheel control function for the stereo. Works as it should do. And we've got a Japanese navigation stereo unit at the top here, which is completely useless. Ashtray looks good. Again, it is a smoke-free vehicle. It is coming with a 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic. Got 2 cup holders over here, good size. No padding unfortunately for center armrest. Got a bit of coin storage here or whatnot, enough coin storage again. And quite a deep center console actually, which has got a few rubbish in here for some reason. Get rid of that. Of course, decent sized glove box. Nothing major. It's not a truck after all. You know, it does the job. And it looks like it's got the Mazda booklet from Kansai. Automatic headlights. We're just trying to focus that. And it also has automatic Rainwipers. Extra feature, which will cost you extra $500, friends. We'll just open up the bonnet and take a look at the engine bay. And it does look like it has HID headlights. It looks really damn good. Now it does come with a 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated 2-liter Mazda engine. Chain driven, so no water pump or cam belt to be changed. Again, this is a non-accident car. You'll be able to see that from all the chassis and all that. Of course, there's no bends or anything like that. VIN number, chassis plate, all there. You can always search it up online. Odometer has also been certified by AA, which you can also check online. Everything is all digitally now, so very simple, straightforward. Of course, we service all our cars, oil and filter service. And that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Any questions, give us a bell and we'll try and help you out. Cheers.